1, 2, 3, action! Hey you there guys! Welcome back to our mix, and I'm your DJ Sha, and I will play the song of Miss Asia Songbird, Regine Velasquez. But before we proceed to our top 10 song of Miss Regine Velasquez, I will have an announcement here to our election this coming May 10 to our election. So my question is, are you ready to vote for our new president? And are you gonna say what they can do to our country? And of course, before you vote, you need to choose the really good president here and be a good model. But for me, if you're really willing to wait to our country, help to our country, maybe hindi na kailangan na manalo ka. It's not a matter of win. But if you really want to help the other people, win or loss, you are also, yes, pwede ka rin tumulong na hindi ikaw ang mananalo. For me, love, share to our people is the best. And now, I will play the song of Miss Regine Velasquez, Daddy. Check this out. Yes, guys! Meron akong nabasa ngayon dito sa ating letter. Nag-comment siya about this coming election. So, ang sabi niya is, dapat pumili tayo ng mabuting leader na mamumuno dito sa ating bansa at hindi yung kurakot. Dapat botohan natin yung sino talaga ang nararapat. From Isabella. Thank you, Isabella. Well, tama nga naman siya. We need to vote wisely. And kailangan natin suportahan ang isa't isa. Dapat hindi tayo mag-away-away. So, I will play the song again of Miss Asia Songbird. Pangarap ko ang ibig ka. Check this out. Yes, guys! Welcome back to our mix! Yeah, ang ganda ko pala sa camera, no? Nakakatuwa naman. Ito so funny. Anyway, okay, I will proceed our topic today. So our elections. So for me, I will vote, in my opinion, I will vote Manny Villar. Because for me, Manny Villar, we all know he is a poor man before. But because his determination and to work hard, he achieved what they want in life. And he become a businessman. But he think that for being a simple man and being a rich businessman, he wants to help the country. That's why he ran for president. But in my opinion, Manny Villar is deserving to win for a president because he had a lot of experience about politics. And of course, Manny Villar is from the poor family before. So, he experienced the rule in life. But in my opinion, I vote Manny Villar. But you there guys, it's your decision who is your president. I will play the song of Miss Regine Velasquez. Is here in top 3 songs. Here's On the Wings of Love. Chase. Yes, user guys, but wait, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating top 4, and I will get that here. I will take a seat. Okay, hindi pala ako bagay sa camera, nag-uupo. So, I will make it here in stand-up. Standing ovation, like this. Like this. Ang pangit ko palang sumayaw. Anyway, guys. Summer is coming and very hot here, winter and the Philippines. Meron na ba kayong idea or meron na ba kayong natitikuhang bakasyonan? So, yung mga estudyante na walang magawa, na walang magawa sa bahay, pwede kayong humanap ng sideline work para naman makatulong kayo sa family instead na magtambay ng bahay, o diba? Anyway guys, here are our top 4 songs by Regine Velasquez. Here's, kung may babalik ko lang, check this out. Yes guys, welcome back to our mix again. Here is top 5 songs. Merong nag-comment doon. Ang comment niya ay, ano yun? Ang sabi niya, dapat kung magboto daw tayo for this coming election, dapat i-prepare daw yung ililista natin ng mga senador, president, vice, etc. Para hindi kayo mababother kung sino ang pipiliin nyo. So, kagaya na lamang ng song na ito. Hindi kayo mababother kasi this song by Regine Velasquez, Promise, with duet Mr. Martin Rivera. Check this out. Yes guys, welcome back again to our mix. At parang natatagalan ako. So may sexy na pala ako sa camera, ha? Marami na improvement sa akin. Tingnan nyo na lang. Ha? May nag-comment again, sabi niya, isa daw sample the song. Ano naman ang song? Yung uso daw ngayon, yung kita. Pwede chorus ka? Natatawa siya. Okay, chorus na ha. 1, 2, ready, go. Nakalimutan ko na yung chorus niya. Wake up in the morning feeling like PT. Tick-tock on a clock. But the party don't stop, no, oh. Yun lang ang alam ko. Sana hindi ka nagalit. Okay, now guys, parang nalilate na tayo ng oras ngayon. So, maybe tomorrow we'll continue the top 10 songs. But I hope you have a nice day today and good luck to all of you there. Before anything else, I will make a dance move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, bye-bye. Have a blessed day.